Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLE 43 AMG. This one's polar white. Underneath there's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 384 horsepower and 385 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. The AMG night package, which is going to give you black accents in the front, mirror covers and rear, brushed aluminum running boards, 20-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. An espresso brown, ginger beige MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Rear climate controls. Come around back, trailer hitch. AMG GLE 43 badging. Power liftgate. Fold down rear seats, cargo cover, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon system, brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, AMG illuminated door sills. This one's also going to give you lane keeping assist and blind spot assist. We've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. We've got navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 43 has 37,020 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.